descent. 40 seconds. Your camera running? Camera good. Okay, the override at 5 seconds. Descent armed. Altitude lights on. Ready for proceed. Proceed. 1, 0. Ignition and descent. Just about on time. Watch for the right on. Override is up. 24, 9, 6, all up. Good. Okay.
Altitude, velocity light, 8.5 down, 220 feet. 15 forward. 11 forward, coming down nicely, 200 feet. 4.5 down, 5.5 down. Within 60 feet, 6.5 down, 5.5 down. 9 forward. Good. Within 20 feet. 100 feet, 3.5 down, 9 forward. 5%. How many feet? 75 feet. Guys looking good, down a half. 6 forward. 60 seconds. Lights on. 6. Down 2.5. Forward. Forward. Head. 40 feet, down 2.5. Picking up some dust. 30 feet, 2.5 down. Straight shadow. 4 forward. 4 forward, drifting to the right a little. Down a half. 30 seconds. Forward, just. Good. Ready? Contact light. Okay, engine stop. Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot.
If you like this video, please click like, then comment, share, and subscribe.